Hello, welcome to Manville High School's virtual open house. My name's Dustin DeBerry, and I've been teaching here at Manville for 12 years now. This year I'm teaching 4 different classes: AP Literature, AP Seminar, Pre-AP SAT Prep, and Pre-AP English 2. If you found this video, you found my website. The most important information on my website is my contact information. You can see my classroom number, my extension, which is 4646, my email, which is ddeberry@alvinisd.net. That's also the best way to most consistently reach me if you're trying to get in contact with me, though I am usually in my classroom from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. each day because I wait for my kids to get bussed over from E.C. Mason. So you could try calling after school and using my extension to get to my classroom. But the other important information on the website is on the left side over there. You have the Google Classroom codes. That's good for new students joining the class who need to figure out the right section to get in. Also, if a student switches from one class to another throughout the year, they have those codes there to get in. Also, the syllabus and course description information is on my website as well. Now, the most important things that are going to be communicated throughout the year, like new announcements, any assignments, or anything pertaining to the class, is all going to be communicated through Google Classroom. So the videos below this one will walk through the Google Classroom of my different sections. So again, welcome, and check out the videos below.